Welcome everyone, this is AppTech Pro. Today I'm going to be working on an iPhone 11 Pro Max. The OLED screen went out. So I'm going to go ahead and replace the screen. As well, during these times what we're doing is we're sanitizing the phone before and after the repairs. All of our tools, we're wearing gloves, masks, things like that. To protect you guys and also ourselves. So as always, I'm going to go ahead and start the timer, speed up the video, and show you the final result. So I hope you guys enjoy. So there we go, brand new iPhone 11 Pro Max, the brand new screen. Just to let everyone know, we don't ask for your password. We'll check everything right in front of you. Again, we sanitize the phones before and after, and also our tools. So at this time, stay safe. If you need anything, give us a call. Check out our website, apptechpro.net. I'll leave a link in the description below. And if you have any questions, like I said, give us a call, shoot us an email, and we'll be happy to take care of you. Thanks again for watching.